Hi everyone, my name is Gord, and in this video series I'm spending some time going over some of the features of the X Pro 3 and offering some insight on how to use them. This video is about the AF limiter on the X Pro 3. You may find that when out taking images you have objects that are at a number of varying distances from the camera, and the camera doesn't particularly pick the distance you're wanting it to. One solution is to move the AF point to the subject you want in focus, but as that takes a bit of time, you might miss your shot. A better solution might be to use the AF limiter. The camera will then only focus on objects that are within a particular range of distance. There are two presets, 2.0 meters to infinity and 5.0 meters to infinity, and you can customize a distance range on your own. Here's how you select one of those two options or configure your own setting. With the camera powered on, go into the menu to AF/MF. On the third screen is where you'll find the AF range limiter. And here you can choose either 2 meters to infinity or 5 meters to infinity or your custom. To toggle to the right when you're in your custom, and you can select that one, or you can set your own. By choosing set, you then turn the focus wheel of the lens to the close distance point and press OK. You then move the focus of the lens to the second further away distance point. If you're happy with your settings, you push back. If you want to redo part number A, you would then push the set button again. So now when I push back, I've got my preset settings, 1.8 meters to 3.7 meters. Now when I choose that, if by chance I have something that's going to be in focus either closer than or further away than that particular point, the camera will not focus, at which point you'll be limited to the focus distance that you've chosen. That's awfully complicated to be able to set that up and go through that each time around. But there's a quick way to be able to change that. You can assign that to a custom function button on the camera. I'm going to choose the front button around the toggle for the viewfinder. That'll allow me to quickly turn that AF limiter on and off. To do that, all I have to do is press and hold the display back button. That brings up a schematic of the camera. I then choose which button I want to use, and then I can toggle through and choose which of the various number of settings from within there. And I happen to know that the AF range limiter is within on page number 3. So now I make that choice. So now whenever I press the front button on here, I'll be able to quickly toggle through the various choices, including turning the AF limiter off if I'm wanting to go back to standard shooting. That's a brief overview of using the AF limiter on the X Pro 3. To watch the next video in this series, click on the on-screen link.